Hello friends. We are going to see that how to install Windows Server 2016. So I have created virtual machine here. So I'm just going to start this virtual machine by clicking on start button. By I need to select the ISO image from here. So it is not showing here. I need to click on add button, go to downloads, and here we go. This is the Windows Server 2016. Click on open, choose start. So this will start operating system Windows Server 2016 installation. Now it is loading files. So here we have two editions. One is standard and second one is data center. So here it is asking us in which language do you want to install. I am just selecting default one, English United States. Click on next, click on install now button. Setup is starting now. Now it will prompt us to select a edition. Which edition do you want to install? See, as I told you, Windows Server 2016 standard evaluation, Windows Server 2016 standard evaluation for desktop experience, Windows Server 2016 data center evaluation, Windows Server 2016 data center evaluation, desktop experience. So I'm just going to select a standard evaluation desktop experience. Click on next. Here the license terms and conditions. I'm just going to select I accept the license terms. Click on next. Custom installation. Here you need to click create a new drive, apply. Okay, so here is 14 GB space available. Select that drive, partition 2. Click on next. So now copying Windows files has been completed. Getting files ready for installation. 0% is completed. So it will take 10 minutes to complete the install. Here just click on restart now. So it will start rebooting your operating system. Don't press any key because it will start installation process again. So now files are loading. So the installation is almost finished. Now you just need to enter a password which you want to configure for administrator account. So I'm entering the password. Click on finish. So your Windows Server 2016 is ready with you. You just need to log in on this machine. I'm entering a new password which I entered earlier. Our Windows Server 2016 operating system is ready with us. You can verify operating system version by opening a computer management or just opening a computer configuration by right clicking on this PC. You can see here Windows Server 2016. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.